Hey guys, we have a Suzuki GSX S1000 GT. We're putting frame sliders on it. Here's the frame sliders we're putting on it. This is EvoTech Performance. We've got these off eBay. I'll put them in the description for the link. And if you'll notice, the frame sliders are different lengths. The bolts are different lengths. There's a short one and there's a longer one. Well, we took the bolts out of the engine, and there's a short one and a longer one. So the long bolt goes on the right side if you're sitting on the motorcycle. The short bolt goes on the left side if you're sitting on the motorcycle. Let me show you where those bolts go, where the frame sliders are going to be installed. This is the left side, so it's up here, up front. So we're going to install it here with an 8mm Allen wrench. I need to torque that down to 40 foot-pounds. So on the right side of the motorcycle, it's right here, real close to the fairings. So we'll install the frame slider here and torque it down to 40 foot-pounds. Let's give it a go. We'll get it started. Don't want to cross-thread anything. All right, so I'll come back with a torque wrench and torque it down. Now installing the right side. This is the longer bolt. You want this anyway, kind of like that. All right, and we'll torque that side down. All right, I have the torque wrench set to 40 foot-pounds. There we go. We're going to torque the left side to 40 foot-pounds also. There we go. All installed. How's that look?